If writing SOPs feels like the most boring, overwhelming thing on your to-do list, I built something for you. I just launched a brand new AI-powered tool called the SOP Writer, and it turns your messy notes into a polished, beautifully formatted SOP in literally seconds. This way, you're not stuck with a blank doc, not knowing how to fill it. You don't have to worry about formatting. All you have to do is fill in the form and let the tool do the heavy lifting for you. As someone who has created many SOPs for my business and for clients over the years, this is a tool I wish I had when I started. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, so stick around because I think you're going to love this. Okay, first, can I ask you something? How many SOPs does your business actually have written down right now? If you're anything like most of the business owners I work with, the answer is somewhere between a few and none, really. And honestly, that's not your fault. Writing SOPs is one of those things that sounds great in theory, but in practice, it's just tedious and it feels unnecessary at times, even though it's actually really necessary. So you sit down, you open a blank doc, and immediately your brain goes blank. Where do I even start? What format should I use? Should I include screenshots? How detailed is too detailed? And then life happens and the doc gets closed and it goes on the I'll do it later list, which we both know is basically the never list in many cases. But here's the thing, SOPs are the reason your business can run smoothly even when life gets messy. They're how you stop reinventing the wheel every single time. They're how you hand something off to a VA without spending 3 hours explaining it. They're how you actually get to step away from your business without everything falling apart. So I decided to make it as easy as humanly possible to actually get them written. And that's exactly what SOP Writer does. So here's what I built. The SOP Writer is a standalone AI tool. You don't have to install anything, sign up to other platforms, or figure out the perfect prompts to ask ChatGPT. You just open the tool, fill in a simple step-by-step form, and then it takes your rough inputs and turns them into a complete polished SOP in about 15 seconds. It formats everything for you, labeled sections, numbered steps, ownership info, assets, tools, even a quarterly audit reminder, and then you can copy it straight into your Asana SOP bank or download it as an already designed PDF. Now, let me show you exactly how it works. All right, so here's how you use this tool. It's very awesome. So I'm just going to be copying and pasting stuff in here to show you as an example, but you're basically just going to follow the prompts and fill in the blanks. So first you're going to do your title. So for example, I'm just going to grab from this that I have over here in another window, and I'm just going to paste in here. And it will make your title even better. So you can put in whatever you think, and then just like something that kind of explains it, and then it'll improve it for you as well. Then you'll hit next. And then here you're going to put in, so it explains everything up here as well. So capture the people behind this process to keep your team accountable and organized. So the main owner is going to be the person who is regularly doing this task, right? So in this case, it would be my VA Jess. So I'd put her name and then her role there, and then it's created by me though, so I would put Samantha. You can put last names if you'd like, and then I'm the CEO, and then go next, and then you're going to describe the process. If you don't want to or don't know how to describe it, it will also do that for you, but you do have to put something in the box. So I'm just going to repaste the title here, and then if you have video instructions, like a video showing the process, you're going to paste that in here and then hit next, and then any assets and any tools. So in this case, I don't have any assets that I need for this process, but I do have tools. So I'm going to paste those in there and click next. And then here you can either type out your steps one by one, or you can paste in your notes just as a brain dump, paragraph style, however you want. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm actually going to go and copy from that video link. I'm going to grab the transcript and just paste that transcript right in there. So I'm going to click copy over here, and then I'm going to go back. So I'm going to paste it right in here. So sorry, I know you didn't see the copy process, but you can see this is a transcript from the video. So then I'm going to click generate my SOP, and it will turn it into nice laid out steps from that transcript. It's really awesome. So it just takes a few seconds. It says it takes about 15 seconds. Okay, and there you go. You have your SOP ready to go, nicely formatted. You can save it as a PDF, save it to your Google Drive, or attach it to your Asana task, or you can copy the plain text here to your clipboard. You can just click copy and then paste it into an Asana task, and or you can download it as a PDF and save it wherever you want, including into an Asana task. Pretty cool, right? In literally a few minutes, you went from a rough idea to a fully formatted Asana-ready SOP. And here's what I love about this. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you've been in business for years. If there are repeatable processes in your business, they deserve to be documented. And now there is absolutely no reason not to do it. Whether it's how you onboard a new client, how you send invoices, how you schedule your content, every single one of those processes can be an SOP. And with this tool, you can knock them out one by one without it feeling like a huge project. If you want to grab the SOP Writer, the link is in the description below. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful for you, and I hope you love SOP Writer as much as I do, and I will see you in the next video.